Today I want to just let you know about a cool thing I ran across here recently. Working on this Chevy Impala today, but this really applies to any W-body GM. You know, you may be chasing an intermittent ABS false activation or open circuit or something like that. You know, and this car certainly has seen its share of corrosion. And so quite often we've got connector issues here, we've got wiring issues as well. Well, so I've got this harness here, and it comes complete. I mean, it's everything from one wheel to the other wheel. So we've got connectors on both sides. We've got all the clips, the metal clips that go along the trailing arms here, and it goes all the way to the main connector that plugs into the body up here above the trailing arm or the rear suspension assembly. So this complete one-piece unit here, it's a big old harness, comes in the box, is your one-piece problem solver. Can't tell you how many times in my career as a technician I've had to splice in a pigtail connector or something here, and try and keep it protected from the road grime, salt, any type of debris. And so I feel much better installing this complete one-piece harness here. It's going to save time, going to be a much better job for the customer in the long run. So just wanted to pass that along, let you know, and it's really straightforward. Unclip, clip the new one on, clear the codes, away you go.